Hello children, based on our discussions of super sense of smell, let us look at some of the questions given in your textbook and answer. How did ants know that other ants were not from their group? We know ants recognize people in their group with the help of the smell. And they communicate with the help of the antenna. Ants recognize other ants in their group with the help of the smell. So if the smells differed, they identified or they understood that the ants were not from their group. How did the guard ant recognize this ant? With the help of its antenna, it could smell that the other ant did not belong to its group. So how did ants know that the other ants were not from their group? Ants recognize other ants of the same group with the help of their smell. They communicate. How did the guard ant recognize this ant? They communicate with the help of the antenna. The antennas could recognize the smell. The smells did not match. That is how the guard ant recognized the ant did not belong to its group. You can write the answers in your own words. How did the ants know that other ants were not from their group? ആ ഗ്രൂപ്പിലത്തെ അല്ലാതെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നത്? സ്മെല്ലെന്നാണ് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നത്. ഇനി സ്മെല്ല് എങ്ങനെയാണ് റെക്കഗ്നൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ആന്റിന യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആന്റിനയിൽ നിന്ന് സ്മെല്ല് ഡിഫർ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പത്തെയാണെന്ന് റെക്കഗ്നൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. Now moving forward, let us look at some more questions. ഇതെല്ലാം ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിലുള്ളതാണ്. Since you have not got your textbook, I am just putting it here. I'll post the same question in the classroom also. Go through the questions and answer these questions. Okay? Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. How long did it take for the ants to come? Few minutes. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? First, one ant came and then the group followed. What did the ants do with the food? It took the food back home. Ants in the home in the ant hill. So, the ants took the food to the ant hill. Where do they go from there? They go to their home or they go back to ant hill. Do they move in a line? Yes, they move in a line. Ants eppoഴും ലൈനിലാണ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. In what ways do humans make use of the special sense of dogs? When we spoke about the special sense of dogs, we mentioned about how dogs are used to find criminals. ക്രിമിനൽസിനെ ട്രേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ, ബോംബ് ട്രേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ, ലോസ്റ്റ് തിങ്സ് ഫൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ ഡോഗ്സിനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യണതാണ്. വി യൂസ് ഡോഗ്സ് ആസ് ഗാർഡ്സ് ടു അവർ ഹൗസസ്. അല്ലെ, നമ്മുടെ വീടിനെ ഗാർഡ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടും നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യും. We are making here again we are using the special sense of dogs because it can identify strangers with their smell. Now, do the clothes of any of your family members smell? Whose? We know house different people's dress have different smells. Like depending upon we can identify the dress of different people from their smell. People who go out of their house sweat and the sweat smells. ആ സ്മെല്ല് നമുക്ക് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. You might have experienced this. So you have to answer whose smell you can recognize. in your family. Did you ever come across any smell in a crowded place, such as a fair, bus, train, etc.? ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പല സ്മെല്ലും വരും അല്ലേ? ഫെയറിനൊക്കെ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് ഗാർബേജസ് കൂട്ടിയിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വി ഗെറ്റ് എ ഫൗൾ സ്മെൽ ഓഫ് ദ ഗാർബേജസ്. ഫുഡ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾസ് അവിടെയും ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ സ്മെല്ല് കിട്ടും. വെൻ യു ഗോ നിയർ സം പ്ലേസസ് ലൈക്ക് ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കണ പ്ലേസസിൽ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് യു ഗെറ്റ് ദ സ്മെൽ ഓഫ് ദ ഫുഡ് അല്ലേ? ഓയില് ഹീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചില സാധനങ്ങൾ ഫ്രൈ ചെയ്യണതിന്റെ സ്മെല്ല് കിട്ടും. All these things you get when you go to a fair. At times you get the smell of popcorns. Yes. So think of the smell that you get. At times it could be something that you like, or it can be things that you don't like. When you go to some fair or something, our generators use ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ ജനറേറ്റേഴ്സ് റൺ ചെയ്യാൻ ഡീസൽ വേണം അല്ലേ? അതിന്റെ സ്മെല്ല് വരും. So think of something that you can smell and just write it down. Today, Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son, Deepak, with her sister, Sushila. Sushila also had a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta or scarf or whatever. Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? We know smell is always attached with your own emotions and your attachment or detachment to the particular object. Like ഒരേ സാധനം തന്നെ different people smell it differently. For some of them, whatever you like, it smells. For example, non-vegetarian foods ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ people who eat non-vegetarian food likes the smell of non-veg being cooked. People who are vegetarians does not like the smell of non-vegetarian foods. Like some people like the smell of petrol. There are many who doesn't like the smell of petrol. So it is pure. It is dependent on the person as well. So as far as Sushila is concerned, with her daughter, she felt that emotional bonding that it is her daughter made her clean the nappy without covering her nose. But when it came to Deepak's nappy, she felt that was dirty. So whenever you feel something is dirty, you get a bad smell out of it. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? You feel really bad? Like you feel like vomiting at times when we walk past a heap of garbage. Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. You might have come across some children who make a living out of picking things from the garbage. It's really sad when we see such children. Right? But of course, we are so privileged that we get everything at home, and they are children who are not as privileged as we are. നമ്മളെ മാതിരി അത്രയും സുഖ സൗകര്യങ്ങളുള്ള കുട്ടികളല്ല. To make a living, they have to do certain things. Hunger പോണം അല്ലേ? So when we feel such children, when we see such children, we feel really bad for them. Is a smell good or bad for everyone in the same way? As I already mentioned, like it depends on the person, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Definitely, it depends on how we feel about it. As I already mentioned, there are certain flowers that we feel smells good, but the same smell some others may not like. So there's no universal thing like good smell and bad smell. The smell that we feel good, someone else may feel bad. So please go through these questions, children, and come out with your own answers. Think and write your own answers. So with that, we'll stop today's session, and in the next session, we'll come with super sense of sight. Thank you and take care.